This is our number 032411-112. It's a Jemison electric bolted pressure switch. It's a model number VLB3412-G6, serial number 76594. It's a 3000 amp, 480 277 volt, 3-phase, 4-wire, shunt trip actuated switch with ground fault. It's got a GFR-1 ground fault relay. It's got the controlled power transformer. This switch looks very good condition. Give you a close-up of the arcing and the main contacts on the switch. A, B, and C phase. Look like this switch wasn't installed or operated very often, so it's going to be a good. Here's a close-up on B phase. There's a little bit of contact area there, so it was installed. And you have a close-up look at the ground bar. You can use this as a 3-phase switch. You just disable the shunt trip, and you can use it as a manual.